Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of 400 divided by 10 minus square root of 99. So let's provide a solution from here. So we have the square root of 400 divided by 10 subtract square root of 99. So the first step is to rationalize the denominator here. Let's introduce a conjugate, which is 10 plus square root of 99. Let's also multiply the numerator here with the conjugate, which is 10 plus square root of 99. So this means that here we have the square root of, this is 400 multiplied by 10 plus square root of 99. This is divided by 10 minus root 99. This is in the form of a minus b multiplied by 10 plus root 99, which is the same thing as a plus b. So which we can express as a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. Now this is the difference of two perfect squares. So this means that here we have 10 squared subtract square root of 99 raised to the power of 2. Now the next step is that we have the square root of 400 multiplied by 10 plus square root of 99. This is divided by 10 squared, which is 100, subtract, now let's eliminate the square root sign here. So this is minus 99. So this implies that we have the square root of, this is 400 multiplied by 10 plus the square root of 99 divided by 100 minus 99, which is 1. Now the next step is that here we have the square root of 400 multiplied by, this is 10 plus square root of 99. Now you find that this is actually in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as the square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Now applying this property, this means that you have the square root of 400 multiplied by square root of 10 plus root 99. Square root of 400, this is equal to 20 multiplied by square root of 10 plus square root of 99. Now we have here, this is 20 multiplied by, now we have that 1 is common here, so we can factor out 1 so that we have 1 into the parentheses. This is 10 plus square root of 99. Now we can express this 1, this is the same thing as 2 over 2. Now this means that we have 20 multiplied by square root of, this is 2 over 2 multiplied by 10 plus square root of 99. So we have 20 multiplied by square root of 2 times 10, this is 20, plus 2 multiplied by square root of 99 divided by 2. So this is to mean that we have 20 multiplied by square root of, we can express 20 as 11 plus 9 plus 2 multiplied by square root of 99. This is the same thing as square root of 9 multiplied by 11 divided by 2. So here we have 20 multiplied by square root of 11 plus, we can express 9 as 3 to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplying by square root of 9. This is the same thing. We can express this as the square root of 9 multiplying by square root of 11 divided by 2. So we have here 20 times the square root of, we have 11 plus 3 to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplying by square root of 9, this is 3, then multiplying by square root of 11 divided by 2. Now the next step is that if you have the square root of a raised to the power of 2, this can be expressed as a. So this is to imply that square root of 11 raised to the power of 2, this is the same thing as 11. So let's substitute 11 with square root of 11 to the power of 2, so that we have 20 multiplying by square root of 11 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplying by 3 multiplying by root 11 divided by 2. So this is in the form of a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab, which we can express as a plus b raised to the power of 2. So let's apply this algebraic identity, so that now we have 20 multiplying by square root of root 11 raised to the power of root 11 plus 3 raised to the power of 2, then divided by 2. Now this is in the form of square root of a divided by b, which we can express as the square root of a divided by square root of b. So here we have 20 multiplying by square root of, we have root 11 plus 3 raised to the power of 2, then divided by square root of 2. So let's eliminate the square root sign here, so that we have 20 multiplying by square root of 11 plus 3 divided by square root of 2. Now let's rationalize the denominator here. Let's multiply by square root of 2, and also the numerator multiplying by square root of 2. So this means that here we have 20 into the parentheses. This is root 2. We have root 2 times root 2 times root 11 plus, this is root 2 multiplying by 3, then divided by root 2 times root 2. We have that root a times root a, this is the same thing as a. So this is to mean that root 2 times root 2, this is equal to 2. So this is divided by 2. Now let's simplify here. 20 divided by 2, this is 10. So we have 10 into the parentheses. This is root 2 times root 11. This is square root of 22. Then plus 3 square root of 2. So this means that here we have 10 square root of 22. Then plus 10 times 3 square root of 2. This is 30 square root of 2. And this is the solution to this square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.